Good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. Let me remind the identities again for you. X plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Next, a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Last one is a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Let's check the solution for previous class homework. Here given p plus 1 by p is equal to 12 to find p power 4 plus 1 by p power 4. So here given is plus value. So I have to use the plus identity. A plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a is p and b is 1 by p. Substitute the values in the identity. We get p plus 1 by p the whole square, which is equal to p square plus 1 by p the whole square plus 2 into p into 1 by p. Here p is the common value. Then substitute the values. P plus 1 by p is 12. So 12 the whole square, which is equal to p square plus 1 by p square plus 2. Plus 2 change other side, minus 2. So 144 minus 2 is 142. So p square plus 1 by p square is 142. Here we have to find p power 4 plus 1 by p power 4. So again we have to find the square of the number. Here a is p square, b is 1 by p square. Substitute the values, we get like this. 142 the whole square, which is equal to p power 4 plus 1 by p power 4 plus 2. 142 the whole square is 20,164. Here plus 2 change to other side, minus 2. So 20,164 minus 2, we get 20,162 is p power 4 plus 1 by p power 4. That is the answer. Now we are going to see perfect square trinomial. Trinomial means it contains 3 terms. Perfect square means you have to multiply it with same numbers. What is perfect square trinomial? That is, it can be expressed as a square of some quantities. They are known as perfect square trinomial. Let us see how to check whether the given trinomial is a perfect square or not. First point is, 2 terms must be a perfect square. That is, they should be square of some monomials. Monomial means it contains one term, which always have a positive sign. Second one is, the third term should be the product of 2 and the square roots of a perfect squares. For example, here question is 9x square plus 4y square plus 12xy. What's the first one? 2 terms must be a perfect square. And before that we have a positive sign. So these 2 terms are a perfect square numbers. 9 is a perfect square number. 4 is a perfect square number. Both are positive sign. So here a square is 9x square. 9 can be written as 3 square x square. That is 3x the whole square. So a is 3x. The same method, b square is 4y square. So b is 2y. Now we have to check the third element. Third term should be the product of 2 and the square root of the perfect square. Square root of the perfect square is a. Here a is 3x, b is 2y. That is 2 into 3x into 2y, we get 12xy. That is third term. So is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to a plus b the whole square. So the question can be written as 3x plus 2y the whole square. That is, the given trinomial is a perfect square. Let us see some example sums. Check whether each of the following trinomials is a perfect square or not. If yes, express them as a perfect squares. Here, the first question is 25a square plus I can interchange the terms 9z square plus 30az. Here first and second term are a perfect square numbers. 25 is a perfect square number. 9 is a perfect square number. In between we have a positive sign. First element is a positive. Second element is also positive. So here a square is 25a square, which is equal to 25 is 5 square a square, which is equal to 5a the whole square. This implies a is 5a. Then second element is b square is 9z square, which is equal to 9 is 3 square z square, that is 3z the whole square. This implies b is 3z. Next, the third element is 2ab. Here a is 5a into 3z, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30az. So this given expression is a perfect square. That is 25a square plus 9z square plus 30az, which is equal to 5a the whole square plus 3z the whole square plus 2 into 5a into 3z. It can be written as 5a plus 3z the whole square. This implies 25a square plus 9z square plus 30az is a perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial. Next question is 4k square plus 6k plus 1. Now, you have to check it is a perfect square or not. Here, what is the first term? Here, a square is 4k square. 4, it can be written as 4k square plus 1 plus 6k. A square is 4k square, that is 2 square, k square, that is 2k the whole square. This implies here a is 2k. Then b square is 1. B square is 1, that is 1 square. This implies b is 1. Now the third element 2ab. 2 into here a is 2k, b is 1. 2 2s are 4k. But here is a 2k is 6k. So it is not equal to 6k. Which implies it is not a perfect square trinomial. Next question is 16p square plus 16pq plus 4q square. That is 16p square plus 4q square plus 16pq. Here what is the a square term? Here a square is 16p square. 16 is 4 square p square. That is 4p the whole square. This implies here a is 4p. Then b square is 4q square. 4 is 2 square q square, which is equal to 2q the whole square, which implies here b is 2q. Now verify the third term 2ab. 2 into, here what is the value of a? 4p into 2q, which is equal to 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16pq. So 2ab is 16pq. So 16p square plus 4q square plus 16pq, which is equal to 4p the whole square plus 2q the whole square plus 2 into 4p into 2q. That is 4p plus 2q the whole square, which implies it is a perfect square trinomial. Students, note down the homework sums. Thank you.